This is a dog. Teacher will show you the picture of a dog. A dog is kept as a pet in many houses. It guards the home. It likes eating bones. It is a faithful. Letter Y. Yacht. Yo-yo. Yoke. Yarn. Yak. Yam. This is a fish. Teacher will show you the picture of a fish. A fish stays as a pet in an aquarium. There are many beautiful varieties of fish. Rectangle. Letter cover. Instruments box. Container. This is a lion. Teacher will show you the picture of a lion. Lion is known as the king of the jungle. It has a loud roar.
Letter Z. Zigzag. Zebra. Zip. Sue. Zero. This is a tiger. Teacher will show you the picture of a tiger. Tiger has orange color with black and white stripes. It is a very powerful animal. It is the national animal of India. Cut the different colored craft paper into different geometric shapes and stick them with the help of glue to form ship.
This is an elephant. Teacher will show you the picture of an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. They have giant ears, long tusks, and a huge trunk.
Two little dicky birds.
Two little dicky birds